guys, it's Gina and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? How you doing? If you are new here, hello. I'm Gina. What's up? Subscribe to the channel if you would like to. Join the fam. We're pretty awesome. We upload consistently. Thursdays and Sundays at 5 p.m. Eastern time. Give this video a big thumbs up if you end up liking it and click that notification bell so that you know that every time that I upload a video or post on my wall. So, you're probably wondering, what's today's video gonna be? Well, I saw on Trend Mood that Colourpop was releasing a mystery bag and I got it! Since we love mystery bags and boxes on this channel, I figured I would buy one, because this is like a great idea to like get into Colourpop because I really want to try out their things. And $25, which was not bad at all, and it's worth $50. This is the bag it comes in. It is pretty awesome. I've tried to stay away because Trend Mood got hers and she posted on her page and I like scrolled real quick. I was like, we are not looking at that. All right. If you want to see what I got in this, because I don't even know yet, let's get on into the video. All right, so like I said in the intro, this was $25. I'll save this as I'm opening. It was $25. It's worth $50. They didn't even tell you a time that it was launching. I was just going off of when like people say they normally launch their stuff. And that's what I did, and I ended up getting it. And I think it's sold out now, but I'm not 100% sure, but I believe it is. All right, I'm not even gonna look. First thing we have is a Super Shock highlighter in the shade Guilty Pleasure. Ooh. This is what it looks like. We're gonna take her out. You can see it a little bit better. Oh my, can you see that? Look at that. That is like wet. Oh. It literally slides on like butter. Holy crap. Look at that. That is, Now I've had a couple Colourpop shadows from when they do the, I don't know why I keep playing with my hair. You know, I'm sorry if that annoys you guys down below. Anyway, I have some Colourpop. Oh, it's got like a shift of pink and gold into it. Holy crap, I get very distracted by makeup. So, I have a couple things from Colourpop. They're the Super Shock eyeshadows, and I got that when they did the collab with the No Kill Shelter LA with Laura Lee, and I also have lipsticks from that too. So, but I've used them a little bit, but not that much, but like this highlighter. Next thing we got. This is the new Colourpop Volumizing Mascara. They literally just launched this. Holy crap! They literally just launched this. The BFF Volumizing Mascara, and this is in black on black. No way! I literally have like in my Colourpop thing because I also ordered, I'll show you because they're right over here. I ordered the No Filter foundation stick and then the No Filter concealers because it comes in a little bundle. Let's get into this real quick. Like, okay, so I have the shade Light 67N. This was not the color that came on the, that it popped up on the thing and how it swatched. So, they literally just launched this, or they're going to be launching it. I think they launched it early. Holy crap, look at this packaging. So sleek and, oh, it's got a good wand, guys. I'm thinking we're gonna see me using this because it's got my wand that I like. You all know that I like that wand. If you're new here, you don't know, but if, you know, my people who have been here for a while, you know that I like that. And next thing, we have the Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Doozy. Let's see what shade you are. Oh, yeah, let's go. It's like a pinky nude. Oh, don't mind my hand with swatches because they're a little stained. So I think this blotted lip is supposed to be like a tinted gloss. Just as a blotted lip. but I like it. Next thing, we got a card for the black on black mascara, and it has the ingredients. Well, that's nice. I'm getting more into ingredients. Next, we have a lippy stick from Colourpop. This is in the shade Ziggy, and this is matte. Oh yeah. This is the shade, well, at least the color. Oh, I can do. So creamy. Holy crap. I underestimated, almost broke it. I underestimated what like how Colourpop stuff was, and I don't know why, but I just did. Oh, we got another lippy. This is an ultra glossy lip. This is in the shade Flying Horses. Okay, okay. These names are freaking adorable. Oh, this color. It's a mauve. Let's go. Let's see how this is. Oh, I love the wand. It's just a little hard because my wand is like frozen because it's 15 degrees out here and it's even colder with wind chill. Gotta love Ohio. That is that color. It is a mauve-y pink. Obviously it's mauve, it's pink and purple combined. Y'all know I suck at describing things. Like, are we surprised by now? No. Moving on. Next. Oh, we got an eyeshadow. This is a Super Shock eyeshadow, and this is in Drift. But this is the little packaging. I'm sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. This is a Super Shock shadow. I'll open it and show you. Let's see if you can see the little reflectiveness. Let's swatch. I don't get how any of this is so creamy. Look at, you saw how lightly I swatched that, right? Look at that. Holy crap. What possessed them to do this amazingness? Colourpop, girl. You're freaking awesome, especially for being like very like cheap in prices and like still have high quality stuff. All right. What do we want to pull out? Okay, I'm pulling out this, whatever this is. This is a pressed powder eyeshadow. That's what this looks like. This is in the shade Snake Eyes. Ooh. Oh, look at it. Very cute. I'm gonna get a finger to swatch it. That's what that looks like. And we're gonna swatch it next to the other one. Very lightly again. Holy crap. These are like the best creaminess eyeshadows I have ever freaking seen. Let's get that so it doesn't. This is honestly unreal. All right, we got two more things, guys. This is a Luxe lipstick in the shade 21 Questions. Oh, guys, it's a, oh, let's go. Look at the attention to detail. It has stars on the freaking lipstick. Wow, okay, we're gonna lower that because we ain't breaking it. Oh my goodness, guys. That color. Let's go. I'm pumped about this mystery bag. This is freaking awesome. And we're on the last thing. This is a Super Shock shadow. And this is in the shade Party of 5. It's what it looks like in the thing. My dog's behind me. I'm gonna take it out. That's what it looks like. Look at this. Look at it. All right, we got a clean finger. Oh. Look at how wet it looks. I don't know where to put it. Thumb. Oh, what the? That is literally so gorgeous. Oh my. It's way less like orangey in person than it is on the camera, but I can't. This was like the best freaking thing you could have done for doing like a mystery bag, and you gave away a brand new product that you literally just launched. Holy crap. Guys, I think I'm getting into Colourpop now. Yeah. That was freaking awesome. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and literally how excited I got about all these products. And I love mystery bags, mystery boxes, so I think they're really fun. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said before, if you are new here or if you've been watching my videos and you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Join the family. We love each other. We talk to everybody in the comments. I talk to everybody in the comments, or at least like and leave a love on it, because you know, I like interacting with you guys. I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.